Good morning, students. In class number 22, we will discuss continuation problems. Example number 14, page number 116. Example number 14, page number 116. Prove that det b plus c a b c plus b c a plus b is equal to 4 into a into b into c. This is very important problem. Okay, very important problem. See this problem, you can take left hand side part, assume delta, let delta is equal to determinant of b plus c a b c plus b c a plus b. So what is our aim? Our aim is you can take row or column elements, you can do maximum number of zeros. Okay, so see here, b plus c is there, b plus c, down b c is there. If you add b comma c, that value if you remove from first row element, you will get here answer 0. That means I want changes in R1, like R1 plus, not plus, minus of R2 plus R3. Now see, R2 plus R3 means B plus C. That B plus C, if you remove from B plus C, you will get value 0. So if you apply this operation here, then you will get delta is equal to determinant of 0. Okay, now here, otherwise you can write simplify B plus C R1 value minus b plus c. Next R1 value is a minus of R2 value c plus a plus R3 value c. Next R1 value is a minus of R2 value b plus R3 value a plus b. Down R2 same as it is b. This is c plus a. This is b. This is c a plus b. Okay, next step, that is equal to b plus c minus of b plus c, both will be cancelled, then the value is 0. Next plus a minus a cancel, c plus c 2c, so minus 2c here, plus a minus a cancel, b plus b 2b into minus 2b. Next down b, this is c plus a, this is b, so c a plus b. So next we want one more 0, but it is not possible in this problem. So that next you can expand directly. If you do 0, then this 0 will be reflect. That means here some other value will come. So that it is not possible to get one more 0 in this row, otherwise in this column. So you can stop it by using properties of determinants. At least you have to use one properties of determinant condition. Yes, here I applied, that's enough. Then you have to expand, that is equal to. So I will give priority for first row, then what happened, 0 into determinant of. So I will forget first row and first column, remaining what is there, c plus a, next b c a plus b. Next, so minus of minus 2c into determinant of, forget first row and second column, remaining b c a plus b. Next minus 2b into, forget first row and third column, so b C plus A, down C, C. That is equal to 0 into something 0, minus into minus plus 2C into, so B into A plus B means B into A BA plus B into B B square minus B into C BC. Next, minus 2B into minus 2B into B into C BC minus of C into C square plus C into A CA. Next step, that is equal to, so 0 leave it, so here 2C into BA 2ABC plus 2CB square minus 2BC square. Here minus 2B square C minus into minus plus 2B into C square 2BC square minus into plus minus minus into minus plus 2B into CA 2ABC. So plus 2CB square minus 2CB square cancel, minus 2BC square plus 2BC square cancel, 2ABC plus 2ABC 4ABC 4ABC. Okay, so we proved RHS. Okay, written fast. Next, problem number 8, first one, page number 120. Problem number 8, page number 120, first one. By using properties of determinants show that determinant of 1 A square, 1 B square, 1 C square is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Okay, this is also we discussed previously, example number 13, same like that. Okay, so write in problem fast. So take LHS. What is LHS? Determinant of 1 A square, 1 B square, 1 C square. So see here in this column, ones are there. If any two ones, if you make as two zeros, then if you expand determinant, you will get right hand side part. So what is your aim? Your aim is any two ones you can make zeros by using properties of determinants. So I will choose first row and second row. So I will change R1, next R2. Like here also R1, here R2, which is standard row means R3. So right here R3, here R3. So if you keep middle minus, then 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So you have to keep middle minus symbol. Apply these conditions, then what happen? R1. So R1 row you will change R1 minus R3. So R1 minus R3. What is R1 values? 1 A square minus R3 values 1 C square. 1 minus 1 0. This is A minus C. This is A square minus C square. This value you can write as A plus C into A minus C. A plus C into A minus C. So write down those values. So 0 here, A minus C here, A plus C into A minus C. A plus C into A minus C. Next, so R2. So R2 how you want, that means R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. What is R2 elements? 1 B square minus operation, so minus. What is R3 elements means? So 1 C square. So 1 minus 1 0. This is B minus C, same as it is. B square minus C square means B plus C into B minus C. So write these new values in R2 place. So 0 B minus C here, B plus C into B minus C. R3 same as it is. So R3 1 C square. Next, so if you observe here, C minus A is there in right hand side part. But here what is it? A minus C. Here also A minus C. Here 0 into A minus C you should write like this. That means from that first row you can common C minus A. If you common C minus A from first row, here 0 will come, here minus 1 will come, here minus of A plus A. Why? Because this is A minus C, but I want C minus A, so you should common minus. So here minus will come, here also minus of will come. So from second row you can common, we want B minus C, so you can common B minus C. So B minus C. That means, so here 0 will come, here minus 1 will come, here minus of A plus C will come. Next, from second row we common B minus C, so 0, here 1 will come, here B plus C. Next, third row same as it is, 1 C square. Now see, we got two zeros, then you can apply directly determinants. So C minus A into B minus C into, so 0 into something 0, minus of 0 into something 0, so you can leave it. Next, 1 into, directly I can apply like this, okay, like this. So 1 into, forget this third row and first column, remaining what is there? Minus 1, minus of A plus C. Next, so third row and first column, so 1 B plus C. So next step, that is equal to, so C minus A into B minus C into 1 into something means something value, so minus 1 into B plus C. So minus 1 into B plus C means minus of B plus C, minus of minus means plus A plus C into 1 A plus C, then plus C minus C cancel. Next, C minus A into B minus C into A minus B. This is RHS, hence proved. Okay, write down fast. Write fast. Okay. Next, problem number 8, second one. Problem number 8, second one. By using properties of determinants, show that a determinant of 1 1 1 a b c a cube b cube c cube is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c. Okay, this is also very important problem. Okay, write down. Next, see answer. I will take LHS. I will take LHS. So 1 1 1 a b c a cube b cube c cube. I will assume this value delta. Let delta is equal to. See here, ones are there in this row. Any two ones you can make as two zeros. After that you will expand, you will get right hand side part. Okay, if ones are there in the given problem, that is the easiest problem. Okay, so here I will change this value and this value by the help of properties of determinants as zeros. That means, so C1 next to C2. If ones are available in row wise, you have to apply column operations. If ones are available in column wise, you have to use row operations. Understand? So I want changes in C1 and C2, which is standard column means third column. So here C1 means here C1, here C2 means C2. So standard column is C3. So C3. So you can keep middle minus. You can keep middle minus. Next, delta is equal to determinant of. So I want changes in C1. So how? C1 minus C3. C1 minus C3. What are C1 elements? 1, A cube. So minus is there. So minus minus minus. C3 value is 1, C cube. 1 minus 1 0. This is A minus C, same as it is. A cube minus C cube is equal to A minus C into A square plus AC plus C square. We know formula. A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. This formula you can apply here. Then you will get the answer. Okay. So what are the values? So 0. In C1 place you should write 0. Next, A minus C. Next, A minus C into A square plus AC plus C square. Okay. Next. So C1 is over. Next, C2. So I want C2 like this. C2 minus C3. C2 minus C3. What are C2 elements? 1 B cube. So minus minus minus. C3 value is 1 C cube. 1 minus 1 means 0. This is B minus C, same as it is. B cube minus C cube means B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square. So write these three values in C2 place. So 0, this is B minus C, this is B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square. So C3 same as it is 1 C cube. Okay. Next. So next step, delta is equal to. So if you observe in right hand side part, what is there? C minus A is there. So you can common from first column C minus A. Here 0 is there. Here A minus C. Here A minus C. A minus C is common, but we want in right hand side C minus A. So you can common C minus A from the first column. Next, from the second column you can common B minus. We want B minus, so B minus C. So B minus C is there. B minus C is there. Here also 0 into B minus C you should write. So B minus C will come. Okay now. So what happened? Next, so 0 here. Here minus 1. Here minus of A square plus AC plus C square. Here 0. Here 1. Y means B minus C as it is we have taken outside. So next B square plus BC plus C square 1C C cube. Okay, next you can expand. See, we got zeros, so next if you expand means you will get right hand side part. Okay, write down fast. Okay, next, so delta is equal to C minus A into B minus C into, so 0 into something 0, here also minus 0 into something 0, so you can take 1, so 1 into, forget this first row and third column, remaining what is there, minus 1 1, next to minus of A square plus AC plus C square, next here B square plus BC plus C square, next that is equal to C minus A into B minus C into, so this is 2 by 2 determinant, so that you can directly find out determinant. Minus 1 into B square plus BC plus C square is equal to minus B square minus BC minus C square. Okay, next minus of 1 into minus of A square plus AC plus C square means minus to minus plus, so A square plus AC plus C square, any cancel, that is equal to C minus A into B minus C into, so this is minus B square minus BC minus C square minus C square plus C square cancel, so leave it. Next what is there, plus A square plus AC. Okay, so if you write these two near, what happen, A square minus B square will come here, next AC minus BC if you write means, then what happen, you can write this one as A minus B into A plus B, so if you common C means A minus B will come, so easily we can get to right hand side part answer. So next step, so that is equal to C minus A into B minus C into A square minus B square plus AC minus BC. These two you can write as, that is equal to C minus A into B minus C into, so A minus B into A plus B, you can common from these two C, then A minus B will come. Next step, that is equal to C minus A into B minus C into, if you common again A minus B, why A minus B means there two terms are there, in those two terms A minus B is common, A minus B is common, so you can common A minus B, then what happens, A plus B plus C. This is RHS, this is RHS. Okay, hence proved, very important problem this one, hence proved. Write in fast. Remaining problems we can continue in next class. Thank you students.